Okay, so remember early in the course, I was playing the minor blues scale. So if I was harmonizing that with a drone, we know that every note I'm playing is creating an interval and harmonizing with the drone. So now, if I wanted to play a chord, which is a harmony section that has more than one note, now my melodic line has two backup singers. And as I move them and change the chord, as we said before, the intervals between them and the melody notes are going to change. Okay, so for now, I still only want you to concentrate on the bass note interval compared to the melody note. Sorry, I went here next. Okay, so that's what our ear is hearing mostly. So even as I add notes, now I'm playing a 3-note chord, the ear is still hearing this as the major interval that it's hearing. So these are contributing to the overall sound, but they're secondary. So when we play a chord that is 2 or more notes, here's a 4-note chord, all the notes are interacting. And that is complicated, and that's more advanced if we started to talk about every interval that was in this chord and how it compares to this. So for now, I just want you to know that the bass note and the melody note create the harmonic interval. Okay, there's the harmony section, there's the melody, there's an interval here. When I add these notes, they're secondary, and we're not going to worry about them now. We just know that we can build chords 2, 3, 4, and bigger. And these are all to be perceived as separate singers that are singing along in the harmony section to support the melody. All right, let me give you a couple more examples. First, an unaccompanied melody. Now let me add the harmony section. I'm going to add a chord, okay? So this was my melody, and I'm going to add this chord, these 4 notes. And then to this melody note, I'm going to add these 4 notes, this chord. Then to this melody note, I'm going to add these 4 notes. And it sounds like this. Clocks by Coldplay. Love it. A simple melody, transformed by adding chords, by adding a harmony section, by adding support. Okay? Okay, here's a practice suggestion. Play this melody. C, D, E flat. We're going to put a chord under it, a 2-note chord, And this is a tertiary chord. It's built with the interval of a third. And what I want you to play is, then on the repeat of the melody, I want you to move to F and A flat. And then I want you to play G and B flat. And then I want you to repeat the G and B flat, then go down to the F and the A flat, and end on that. Okay? So the melody alone, and then I want you to see how the harmony section and the chords transform it.